Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly Viva. Today we will take a look at irregular verbs in the past simple tense. If you like my videos, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Some verbs do not end with ed to form the past simple tense. There are no specific rules about how to form irregular verbs in the past simple tense. For example, drive, which is in the present simple tense, will become drove in the past simple tense. For example, I drive to work is a present simple tense sentence. I drove to work is a past simple tense sentence. Now let's see some common irregular verbs in the past simple tense. Go, which is in the present simple tense, turns into went for the past simple tense. My friends and I went to a museum. Have in the present simple tense turns into had for the past simple tense. They had a great time. Do of the present simple tense turns into did for the past simple tense. I did really well in college. Put of the present simple tense remains the same, which is again put in the past simple tense. Notice there are no changes for the present simple or the past simple tense of put. She put the flower vase on the table. Come, which is in the present simple tense, turns into came for the past simple tense. We came to Canada in 1990. See of the present simple tense turns into saw for the past simple tense. Cindy and I saw the Eiffel Tower in Paris. If you like my videos, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate all your support.